While the Hyperx Cloud II has been our daily driver for quite a while now, we've been giving some thoughts to trying out something new. We ultimately landed on the StarEngine Pro gaming headset from EKSA, given how it appeared quite similar to the Cloud II. After using it for over a month now, honestly, we're pretty impressed. So here is our experience and opinion on the StarEngine Pro and whether you should pick this as your daily driver. Starting with the Hyperx Cloud II, we love its simple and polished design, especially those arching hinges that add a touch of coolness. The detachable microphone is a handy feature which was super useful while traveling with the headset. However, we did find it to be a bit clumpy on our heads, especially during those long-hour gaming sessions. And the bright HyperX logo on the cups might not be everyone's cup of tea, as our friend Dave here wasn't just into it. But hey, if you prefer a no-nonsense, no RGB look, it's a solid choice. Now onto the EKSA StarEngine Pro. The very first thing that caught our eyes was the huge ear cups. The black design with subtle green accents looks sleek and stylish as well, and just like the Cloud II, it also had detachable microphones, which is always a plus. What really stood out for us is its lightweight feel despite its appearance. Plus, the subtle touch of RGB added a premium vibe without being too flashy. So if you want something with a touch of personal flair without going full-blown RGB, then this might be the one. Now onto the comfort. The Hyperx Cloud II boasts memory foam cushion ear pads and a headband blended with leatherette, which sounds fancy but a bit clumpy to wear. The weight and bulkiness did not go unnoticed either, and it didn't quite offer complete ear isolation. Don't get us wrong, the headset does feel comfortable to wear, but those little drawbacks did affect your gaming experience. On the upside, the ear cups were easily adjustable, making taking it off and on much easier. As for the EKSA StarEngine Pro, the ear pads are made out of memory protein ear cotton, which felt super soft. Despite the headset size, it felt surprisingly lightweight on the head. However, we did notice that the ear cups adjustment was a bit limited compared to the Cloud II. With design and comfort aside, let's compare sound quality, as it matters the most while gaming. Under the hood, Cloud II is packing a 53mm driver with a 7.1 virtual surround sound profile. Naturally, we can blindly rely on this headset's performance when it comes to playing competitive games such as Valorant and Apex Legends. Footsteps and enemy positions are easier to track, giving us a competitive edge in the arena. However, while playing games or listening to music, background sound often crept in, and this is due to the poor noise isolation that fails to conceal the ears. Surprisingly, noise isolation on the StarEngine Pro is pretty solid. As you can see, it properly covers the ear and we feel minimal pressure while it's on. And as a result, we could hardly hear background noises and we're able to focus on in-game audio a lot more precisely. Talking about precision, the dual-chamber 50mm drivers on this one did an amazing job of separating the bass from the actual audio. The same, however, can't be said about the Hyperx Cloud II, as it doesn't come with dual-chamber drivers to begin with. As we've already mentioned, we can seamlessly rely on Cloud II's sound while gaming. Even so, the dual chamber on the StarEngine Pro does make a difference in providing better overall audio. But what about the microphone? While both of them come with a noise cancellation mic, there are some subtle differences among them. The mic on the StarEngine Pro is powered by an AI which effectively reduces background noises, making callouts clearer. To give you a clearer picture, here's a mic test.
Here is a mic test. This is the audio recorded with the Hyperx Cloud II's mic.
And this is what the StarEngine Pro sounds like. Apart from PC gaming, we also paired these headsets with several of our devices. While the Cloud II is only compatible with PC, PS5 and Xbox, the StarEngine Pro goes up a notch and we could use it with our laptop, MacBook and smartphones as well. So can the StarEngine Pro replace the Cloud II as our go-to gaming headset? Although we were a bit skeptical at first, it has the potential to replace our daily driver. The enhanced noise cancellation also made a difference, and so did the noise isolation, which was a lifesaver for us. Overall, the Hyperx Cloud II is undoubtedly a popular choice, especially if you're already a fan of the brand. But if you're looking to up your game with a headset that's comfortable and subtly stylish with a hint of RGB magic, the EKSA StarEngine Pro is worth considering. Happy gaming, catch you guys on the next video.